Hello everyone. Thanks for visiting my video on my channel Sky is the Limit. I am an architect by profession and this is my first interior upgrade video. In the existing condition, it had a oversized laundry, a powder room, a cramped up lobby, and there was no garage door entry, but it had a coat closet instead. So I decided to resize and relocate some spaces to make the entrance lobby more spacious, sizable and aesthetically pleasing. So here you can see how I managed to hide the powder room and coat closet behind these double doors. This was my main intention, to hide the spaces properly, and I did not want it to be obvious that there is a powder room behind. A budget is always a basic constraint. So I did not want to go over budget by using ready-made double doors which are available in the market, which are fairly expensive. So I used existing single doors, put it together and made this double door. The frame is custom, and here I used towel rod as a handle to give that grand elegant look instead of that small size regular handles, which may have changed its look completely. On right side you can see that I've created some niches in the drywall partition of family room. As it was a family room, the privacy was the main concern, but with this kind of design I was able to establish that sense of connectivity without hampering the privacy, and aesthetically it made a lot of difference. Technically also, if you see it, this kind of design is really easy to execute in the Canadian scenarios because we have drywall partitions with wood or metal studs inside. As you can see, in my situation we had this wood stud inside, and they are usually placed equidistantly, so you get this equal distance between two studs, and you can use those gaps as to create this kind of niche. We cladded it with the pine wood cladding. We glued it to the existing wood stud and finished the corners with corner bid from Home Depot. So we started with these two single doors, and this is the pine wood cladding product from Home Depot. This is very thin and needs to be glued and nailed on the door. We used Gorilla Glue here. There are a lot of DIY techniques available on the internet to convert this single doors to double doors or make it more beautiful. But in my experience, it's a little difficult to execute yourself. But yes, if you are going to do some renovation, you can ask your contractor or mill worker to use this technique. I use simple vertical and horizontal lines. I did not want it to be too busy or crowded as it was in the main entrance lobby. So this is the transformation from my sketch to the real physical space. Few steps in the construction. So here coat closet, powder room niches are constructed. The double door in front of the closet and the powder room is installed, but the finishes like wallpaper and niches are not finished yet, and you have to decide for the walls counts everything in hand, and this is the final look we achieved. We also did some renovation to the washroom, replaced the existing bathtub with the standing shower, replaced the sink, water closet, everything. I propose this niche in the wall in shower area, for which provides you extra storage for this shampoo and soap bottles. Otherwise, you have to install that corner shelf. So this is a very good trick. You can get it done from your contractor with minimum add-on money, and make sure you finish that with the single monolithic granite or marble piece instead of wrapping tiles around. I hope you like my video and make use of it when you do your next renovation. Thank you.